Welcome to Jaws, the legendary surf spot on the north shore of Maui, where waves can reach up to 60 feet high during the winter swells. The name Jaws comes from the unpredictability and danger of the massive waves. Only the most skilled and daring surfers can ride Jaws, using jet skis to tow them into the waves. Jaws has been the site of many big wave surfing competitions and attracts surfers from all over the world. Jaws is located off the Hana Highway, between mile marker 13 and 14, but it does require a four-wheel drive vehicle to access the dirt road that leads to the famous surf spot. The lookout on the cliffs above the break is the best vantage point from the shoreline. Jaws has been the site of many big wave surfing competitions and records, attracting surfers from all over the world. Enjoy the next few minutes of footage we filmed at this incredible spot. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. watching. Feel free to check out another one of our Maui videos.